This video takes you straight into an early hands-on experience with the brand new iPhone 17 series, showcasing everything from its design to performance upgrades. Right from the start, you can see the fresh look of the device, with a complete redesign that feels modern and refined. Apple has shifted internal components higher up inside the phone, making room for a larger battery, while the entire body is crafted from aluminum for better heat management compared to titanium. The back features ceramic shield, which is now 3 times more resistant to scratches, and the front introduces ceramic shield 2 for even greater durability. For anyone who often places their phone on rough surfaces, carries it to the beach, or keeps it in a pocket with keys, this durability makes a real difference. One of the most important upgrades this year is thermal management. For the first time, the iPhone comes with a vapor chamber cooling system. This addition is designed to prevent overheating during heavy use or while under the sun, making the phone much more reliable during intense gaming sessions or long summer days. The inclusion of such a system marks a big step forward in how iPhones handle performance and comfort. The camera system has also taken a leap forward. There are 3 48-megapixel fusion lenses, each capable of delivering high-quality results. The zoom options have expanded significantly, offering everything from ultra-wide 0.5x to an incredible 8x optical zoom. Digital zoom now extends to 40x, and Apple even shared a photo taken at 8x that revealed impressive detail and sharpness. Selfies get an upgrade too, with a new ultra-wide camera and a unique feature that allows you to capture horizontal selfies while holding the phone vertically. Dual capture also makes its way across all iPhone 17 models, letting you record from the front and rear cameras at the same time. Performance is powered by the new A19 Pro chip, which handles everything from advanced AI features to high-end gaming graphics. There are 2 versions of the iPhone 17 Pro lineup. The Pro features a 6.3-inch display, while the Pro Max stretches to 6.9 inches. Both are slightly thicker than before to accommodate the bigger battery. Apple claims the Pro Max can deliver up to 39 hours of video playback, which sets a new benchmark in iPhone battery life and is something many will be eager to test out. In terms of layout, much remains familiar. The power button, camera control button, USB-C port, action button, volume controls, speakers, and dynamic island all remain in place. As for colors, the lineup is striking. Cosmic Orange stands out with a lighter orange on the back and a deeper shade around the aluminum frame, creating a bold and stunning look. Deep Blue offers the darkest finish this year, replacing the usual black or space gray options, which may surprise some fans. So that's it for this video. Share your thoughts on this generation of iPhones and stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching.